when it comes to colour, there's an infinite variety of options to choose from, and the computer is no different. Let me show you what I mean in this video. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. So let's start in Google, and this is going to be the same for all of the Google apps, but I'm working in Docs just to make life a little bit easier. So we are all familiar with the text color. As I click on that option, you've got all the different colors available to you, but have you ever noticed that there's one called custom? As you click on custom, it then gives you that complete rainbow of choices. It starts with the default, which is the red, but you can see the little color rainbow here at the bottom, and as I drag that across to the right, it gives me the different colors that are available to me. So let's say I'm going to stop on the bright one, and then within the actual box of colors, I can now click and drag and move this little dot around to give me all the different shades. Now the bit that you're actually looking at is not on the main block, but actually this little circle towards the bottom left hand corner, because that's the color that you're choosing. Well, that's showing you the shade of this color that you have selected. So let's go and choose, say, that one, and all I need to do is click OK, and because I've set the font up, this is my chosen color. Now of course it's not very good on my white background, but I can change that, and it gives me the option to choose all the different colors of the rainbow and all of its shades. So that's how to choose your additional colors in Google. But what about Microsoft? So if I minimize this down, oh look, here I am in Microsoft Word. So here I am in Word, and let's click on the font color. I'm going to click on the drop down to give me the choices, and as I look down, I've now got more colors. As I click there, it now gives me the color options. So I've got my standard colors, which of course I can just click through and select, but we've then got the custom tab at the top. Clicking on there gives me a very similar option that we've just seen in Google. However, this time the main choice is all the different colors. Again, I'm clicking and dragging to choose the different colors. So let's choose a different option, and it's now over here in the bottom right hand corner that I've got the current color of black, and then the new color is the one that I've selected. To change between the different tones or the variations, I've now got this little line on the right hand side, and you can see that as I drag this up and down, it's now giving me the different shades within the color that I've chosen. So let's choose that one just as random, and as I say OK, this is my color within Word. So you can actually choose a wide range of colors, not just the default ones that the systems give you, but pretty much any option that you can think of. If you'd like to know more about making sure that your chosen color is available on your website, then have a look at the link that I've posted down below, and it'll be in the first comment for my course about making sure that you've got the color that you've chosen on your website. If you like this video and found it useful, please do give it a thumbs up. It does really help. And remember to subscribe to the channel to be notified as new videos just like this become available every week. I will see you in the next video.